Oh, ain't this a beautiful day? Welcome back, guys. Another edition of Clair Outdoors. Out with an amazing day fishing. Early morning here. It's about 6 a.m. 6:15, and the sun is nice out and bright and sunny. So I'm gonna get out early, man. Try to see if I can get on some toad smallmouth in a quick little session before work today. I got a few hours, but we're gonna hit it up real fast to see if we can get into some fish today. I'm gonna fish for some largemouth first, and we're gonna try to get into some total smallmouth. I lost a big one here yesterday, so I'm gonna try to see if I can redeem myself from yesterday. Let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with a Texas rigged worm here. It's killer, man. This color is killer. It's called Texas Smoke. So I'm gonna experience with that. Sorry guys for the sun glare, but the sun is out and I'm mad I forgot my glasses today. I went in the car. I should just pedal back real fast and grab them because this is bad, but I don't have that much time today, so I'm not gonna waste too much time today. I fished at 9 o'clock here. 2.5, 3 hours here. I have to work today, so I have to make sure I'm out of the water in time, get home and all that stuff. Meanwhile, I'm gonna try to see if I can get one of these good largemouth. This one I want to eat up in here. I know that's hungry. We get a bite up in here. So this color is called Texas Smoke. I caught some fish off of it yesterday. There's a bite right there. There's a fish right here. Fish right here. Oh, he got off. I didn't let him run with it enough. Man, it's a smaller fish, and he coming back for it. There you go. He coming back for it. He coming back for it. Fish on. Yep. He came back for it. Came back for that. He wanted that bad. I ain't going nowhere, buddy. Come here. Come here. Nice little guy. He wanted that. He wasn't going nowhere. First one of the day. The Texas rig worm. First one of the day. Nice little guy. Let him go. Alright guys, let's see if we can get another one up in here. No way to catch another one little largemouth up in here. He came back for that too. He was adamant about that. So I kind of left it down there. I didn't pull it quite out the water because I know he didn't quite get hooked yet. He was just trying to gulp down the actual worm. So I just let him kind of come back and eat it again. He chased it out of that. I think he was sitting on that shoreline. His fish right here. Fish right here. Fish. A little bit bigger. It's like just about the same size. Come here. Come here. You ain't going nowhere. Come here. You ain't that. You ain't going nowhere. Another one right here. Nice little fish here. There's a nice next few casts there. Around the butt of the mouth. These guys are 645 here. So it's a good day so far. We're jumping early morning. Texas red worm. I knew that a largemouth. I love this. There it goes. This largemouth came and ate this. You've been caught a whole bunch of times. He's barely hooked to him. Just dragging it. A little arm, like you been caught a whole bunch of times because it's a little largemouth. Fish on. Don't rush him, don't rush him. Nice one here, guys. Yeah, it's a nice one here, guys. That's what I've been looking for all week. Oh yeah. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. That's the one I've been looking for. Where you been at, bro? It's out deep, huh? Deep, huh? Nice one, nice little 3-pounder. Oh, 17 inches, man. That's a nice smallie here. A nice smallmouth bass. He was playing with it at first. I seen him eat it, but I seen him just playing with it. So I was just like, you know what? I'm not about to let this guy play with it too much. I'm gonna set the hook, and that's what I did. Nice fish there, guys. Just gotta go. It's probably about 17 inches. I'm not gonna quite measure him, but I know he's about 17. Actually, I'm gonna measure him. So see what he is. Oh, he's 16 and a half. Yeah, 16. What did it release? He was 16 and a half, though. So they're a little bit deeper. They're out here deep here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching another edition of Bass Clair Outdoors. Man, it's been a good morning. It was beautiful all morning. The bite was kind of slow. We caught some fish, man. Probably caught about 8 fish today. The biggest was that smallmouth. He was 16 and a half, so that's the best we could get for today. That's the only smallmouth that bit today. It seems like they not fire up too much today. Well, right now. I don't know what's up with just water temperatures. I'm reading at 69, 71 as I got mostly up there behind me, but I just think the water temperature is quite not warmed up yet. So these smallmouth kind of went kind of deep. That's why I caught my first one. I caught them in like 18 foot of water. So, all right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, share. If you know anybody that likes kayak bass fishing, refer them to my channel. Share this video. Share my channel if you can. I appreciate the support, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.